Hi! In front of me is Oppo A96, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Oppo smartphone. Start by exiting Tab menu. Now you need to look for Auto Rotate icon and tap on it. As you can see, mine is green. That means that auto rotation is definitely on. If you wish to switch it off, just click on the same icon. You can also go into device settings, scroll down, choose display and brightness, scroll down again and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate. If the switcher is green, that means that auto rotation is on. You can turn it off by tapping on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!